Alright, today friends, we're checking out a blackhead remover. Now, let's just see what's inside here. It's kind of a generic box. I'll leave a link in the description below to a similar item here. Pick this up off of Amazon. So, basically in the box, that's it for that. Alright, so we have instructions taped on there. Working principle. Alright, let's check this out a little bit. So, vacuum bomb system, gently lift and massage to the skin, promote blood and lymph circulation, enhance the permeability of the skin. Beauty can penetrate. Wow, it's supposed to do all this kind of good stuff. Firming and blackhead cleaning, clean pores. So it has different attachments here that do different things. Definitely cool. Some good reading for later. Alright, here we have some, let's open this up. And let's get a look here for you guys. So basically you have different tools here for poking and prodding and popping, I guess. That's nice. I'm not sure if you're supposed to pop zits or not, but it looks like you have some nice little instruments there for that if you want to. Alright, here's the device itself. Okay, this is by Pop Modern G. It didn't say on the box there, but that is that. So first impression, it appears to be well constructed. It's durable plastic. Looks like that part has a little bump there. I don't know. You guys can see that it's a little bit off. Let's see if this thing turns on or not. Okay, it's battery at half, it says. Alright. Oh, whoa. You can feel the suction there. That's kind of cool. So, I don't know if you guys can see. Whoa. It's like gently sucking my finger into there. You can see the little indent there on my finger. Maybe you can increase this. Okay. Oh, yeah. So, it's definitely got a good little suction going on there if it pops it in. Let's see how many. This is on 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's got some, it's definitely got some good suction there. Okay. So that's that. It's very quiet. Interesting. Let's see how do we. Okay. So the tops, they don't screw off. You just places it on or off like that. You can pull it on or off. And it has a wide nozzle one. Let's see. What's that? Okay, so we have actually 4 different heads here. I'm sure the instructions explain different things. So as you can see, one's a little bit wider, one's narrow, one's kind of like elongated, and this one's got some. This is interesting. Huh? I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like almost like an abrasive. It feels like some kind of an abrasive edge there. That's kind of interesting. I wonder what that one is for. I'm not exactly sure. Alright, what else we got in here? Okay, so we have it's a USB charge cord, and obviously that goes right in there to charge it up. And then a couple extra O-rings and some little, I guess they're looking like filters, little squishy things there. Appear to be some kind of a filter possibly. Not sure where that would go in here. Oh, okay, there we go. Now I am sure. So if we take off the top there, it has a little area for the filter to go in, and that just pulls out as well. Okay, and a couple little extra O-ring things. So that actually seems like it will work pretty good. This is obviously just the unboxing video, so maybe be doing a demonstration here pretty quick. Pretty excited to see. I mean, obviously he does have some decent suction, so maybe get those blackheads and get them. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. We'll be doing a review shortly. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can check out similar items, or if you want to. Anyways, have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.